Introducing the Motorola Edge Fusion60. Launched on April 9, 2025. This sleek device measures just 8 millimeters thick. It runs on Android 15 with up to 3 major updates promised, and weighs only 177.5 grams. Built tough with Gorilla Glass 7i, it offers drop resistance up to 1.2 meters and boasts IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance. The back features a premium silicone polymer finish. Feast your eyes on a vibrant 6.67-inch POLED display with 1 billion colors, 120 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 support, delivering a crisp 1220 by 2712 pixel resolution. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset Mali G615 and MC2 GPU, it comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM and a spacious 512 gigabytes of UFS 2.2 storage. Capture stunning moments with the 50 megapixel main camera with an f1.9 aperture, and a 32 megapixel f2.2 front camera for sharp selfies. Stay connected with Bluetooth 5.4. Precise GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo positioning. And a USB Type-C port. Unlock effortlessly with the under-display fingerprint sensor, alongside accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass sensors. All this is backed by a robust 5,200 milliamp hour battery, keeping you powered all day long. For more videos and reviews, hit the bell icon and subscribe. Stay connected with our new updates.